3.1 Premium is the compact plant for water treatment and sludge dehydration with the highest level of automation and safety. It has an extremely compact structure, can handle 2 processes simultaneously within 6 square meters. The Mini Compact L 3.1 Premium ensures 100% automatic and constant flow of clarified water to the operating machines. At the same time, the filter press works in complete autonomy to regularly discharge the accumulated sludge. This is done on the basis of custom cycles programmed according to the real needs of customers. How does it happen? And how does it fit within your production cycle? The MCL 3.1 Premium is equipped with a submerged pump, taking wastewater from the collection tank. The operation of this pump is automatically managed by 2 floats. One controls the minimum level and the other the maximum level of water inside of the tank, in order to maximize the loading operation inside the plant. When the submerged pump starts to load new dirty water inside the plant, the coagulant and flocculant preparation and dosing stations are also activated at the same time. Do you know what coagulant and flocculant are? The coagulant and the flocculant are 2 products that are used for water clarification. They have the task of capturing the sludge particles that are dispersed in the dirty water deriving from stone processing. The particles precipitate efficiently, fast, and effectively to the bottom of the decanter. The choice of the coagulant and flocculant to be used is an essential step to guarantee the best possible results in terms of quality of the clarified water. For this reason, DAL PRETE systematically carries out tests on the water deriving from treatment plants. In fact, each company has specific characteristics that also affect the characteristics of the water they get. It is possible to formulate a specific recipe of products for each water type with the aim of achieving the best possible clarification. The MCL 3.1 Premium is equipped with a station dedicated to the automatic dosing of the coagulant. There is also a 100% automatic station for the preparation and dosing of the flocculant solution. It is completely made of stainless steel and designed to accurately dose the flocculant powder, control the water supply, and monitor its correct filling. It also mixes the preparation properly and doses it automatically for proper clarification. All of this is controlled by ultrasonic sensors. The use of this technology allows a high reliability of the operations without the need of any intervention. This clarification process allows us to obtain a compact sedimentation of the sludge at the bottom of the decanter. At the same time, in the upper part, only the clarified water remains, which through the overflow hole is conveyed to a special storage tank. This water is then ready to be brought back to the machines installed in production. The sludge accumulated at the bottom of the decanter is ready for the second process managed by the plant, namely dehydration with filter press. Through a pneumatic valve, the sludge is discharged in a completely automatic and controlled manner and is conveyed to a dedicated tank, where an agitator ensures proper homogenization in preparation for the following pressing. As for the flocculant tank, an ultrasonic sensor is installed on the sludge homogenization tank that automatically manages the discharge of the sludge from the decanter and at the same time manages the work of the pump that conveys sludge into the filter press for the final dehydration phase. The ultrasonic sensor guarantees a highly reliable management of the process, as it avoids the problem of contact sensors. At the same time, it monitors the process constantly and in complete autonomy, signaling any problems only when the intervention of an operator is actually needed. The diaphragm pump automatically transfers the sludge inside the filter press at the right moment and fills the empty spaces between the plates. Once all the spaces have been filled, the pressure of the pump, together with the perforated clouds that cover the plates of the filter press, squeeze the sludge and take the water out. The water resulting from the pressing process falls into the drip tray, located underneath the filter press, and is then conveyed into the drainage channel. From here, the water is returned to the dirty water collection tank, guaranteeing complete recycle. At the same time, so-called bricks of solid sludge are formed inside the spaces between the plates. The pressing cycle is again controlled fully automatically by a pressure transducer. A combination of the pressure values and the working time of the filter press allows the plant to understand when the bricks are completely dehydrated. At this point, the drip tray and the filter press open automatically, dropping the bricks of sludge. An additional automatic plate shaking system ensures the discharge of all the water sludge bricks. The use of ultrasonic sensors and pressure transducer, in addition to overcoming the problem of contact sensors, is able to return a digital signal to the plant software. This feature is fundamental to make available extremely important pieces of information, even in case of remote connection. The remote connection is often an essential tool both for the plant monitoring activity done by the client and technical assistance by DAL PRETE and its network of distributors and technicians. The Mini Kompakt L 3.1 Premium is equipped with a special washing system that guarantees the constant and programmed cleaning of the most delicate components in contact with the sludge. The diaphragm pump, the cloths that cover the plates, and the drip tray. The washing cycle always uses clarified water that, once the washing is completed, once again full of sludge, is conveyed into the dirty water tank for a new clarification treatment and 100% recycling of resources. The washing cycles are 100% automatic and programmed with extreme flexibility according to the real needs of production. In order to create a solution that is increasingly reliable and independent from the operator, dedicated switch boxes have been installed on all the valves that manage the exchange between the sludge during the pressing cycles and the water during the washing cycles. The use of switch boxes guarantees the correct execution of the operations in all different phases and the dehydration and washing processes. The entire operation of the MCL 3.1 Premium is managed by the DPure software. DPure was conceived by DAL PRETE and refined over time to guarantee a systematic and error-free management of all processes. This software makes it possible to minimize the intervention of specialized operators through accurate programming of multiple activities and a system of self-monitor movements. At the same time, the high flexibility of this software allows high levels of customization, thanks to parameters and programs managed directly by the operator at any time, as well as integrations provided by DAL PRETE. The 15 inches touchscreen provides a single point of control and command. The operator can monitor the settings active at any given time from here and intervene for any changes or adjustments that may be necessary. The touchscreen is also the interface to further check any alarm or anomaly reported by the system. The technology chosen for the touchscreen allows a direct remote connection with the use of a simple Ethernet cable. Programming is the key word at the core of this software's logic. The operator has the possibility to customize a 7-day work calendar dedicated to the dehydration cycles that can be organized in line with the company's operations and production needs, in addition to the customization of the different parameters and working models. Customers who choose the Mini Kompakt L 3.1 Premium value and appreciate the reminder of periodic maintenance. The scheduling and complete customization of the periodic maintenance activities of the plant allows to give full support to the operator responsible for the management of the plant. In this way, the possibility of forgetting something or doing it wrong is minimized, and an efficient level of the plant is guaranteed, together with a reduction of management and intervention costs. DPure is designed to record and process the activities carried out daily by the plant, the clarification and the different phases of the dehydrating cycle. The work statistics provide important information both for the operator and for the DAL customer service in the evaluation of the work setups and any possible modification or customization. The operator can consult the electrical diagrams of the plant on the panel at any time, as well as the use and maintenance manual, in order to deepen specific modes of operation independently. DAL customer service, in any case, is present in all phases of the production life cycle. Support is given both in the preparation phase for the installation and after the startup of the plant for assistance on the operation and supply of spare parts and products for clarification. The Mini Kompakt L 3.1 Premium is able to supply high-quality clarified water that can be used in the different production cycles of bridge saws, edge polishers, hand polishing machines, and CNCs for external spindle cooling. For the internal spindle cooling, DAL PRETE offers the integration with the automatic and self-cleaning filtration system Just Water 3.1. This solution allows to filter in an automated way and to obtain the correct quality of water required by the active machines, saving on the high cost of water from the water supply and avoiding the difficult management of surplus water thanks to a 100% closed system.